Daddy, I'm coming.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Subong sa new building, new site. Subong sa room 303. So, mapapamangkot kita kung pila ang ilang expected score sa subject na CS1. So, we have here, the smartest. Wow! The smartest.
Alam.
Yeah. So, what is your expected score? Perfect. Perfect. How about Joseph? Five. Next we have Ben. Ben, what is your expected score for CS?
Expect unexpected.
Expected. Excuse me, Miss Ma'am, Madam. We have a few questions for you. What is your expected score in CS?
Lambol.
We have we have here Jurgen.
Smart.
Genius. What is your expected score for CS? Passing score.
Ha? Passing score. Wow! Amar, pinakataas ka. Hindi kay Crisaline, pinakataas. Gali. Perfect, kunuhan na.
Okay, we have here the cutie baby. What is your expected score? 0.
Cute lang. 0. Ito na karoon. Ka-cute.
Grabe, obsessed na sa akin.
Uy, grabe ka. Sabi ko cute. Hindi obsessed. Jerry. Smart.
Passing.
Lambol.
We have Bonnie.
Perfect.
Passing man. We have Adit here. Adit, excuse me, sir. What is your expected score in CS?
Perfect mistakes.
Poga, may partner ka na, Crisaline. Perfect mistakes.
Israel, sir, look.
Poga siya i-type. Hindi ano.
Hindi, Mr. Real. What is your expected score sa CS?
Same as yesterday, perfect 0.
Grabe, but we have
Sir
Joshua. What is your expected score in CS?
Kita lang totoo.
Expected score, mga passing lang, mga 10.
Humble.
Humble.
Basta mga smart kid yung mga humble. So we have here Vince. Vince, what is your expected score?
Totoo, kita lang white bote.
100.
Wow!
Naka-review.
Wala po sa items.
Dapat introduce yourself, tapos expected score.
Okay, we have here. Excuse me. What is your name, po?
I don't know.
I don't know. What is your expected score sa CS?
May score?
Bis ka na lang.
Expected.
Sige, 1.
1. May bonus.
Humble.
May bonus pala. 1. Japon.
Smart.
Akala ko mag-introduce. Okay, what is your name, po?
Hello, my name is Marco.
What is your expected score sa CS?
Let me check my phone. 49.
14.
Wow!
Okay. Third.
Sige.
Okay, excuse me po, what is your name?
Magaling ka ba lang?
Okay, wala ka balo. What is your expected score sa CS?
Bela lang check kung anong ako niya. Oh my fucking God! 16.
16.
na lang.
Ako 80. Ay, never mind.
Okay. What is your name?
Jeff.
Jeff?
Yes, my name is Jeff.
Jeff.
So, what is your expected score sa CS?
According to my calculations,
Wow!
100% fail.
Believe ko daan.
May bonus.
Kala ko may partners.
101% na fail.
Just sa mga girls. Hi!
Excuse me, what is your name? What is your expected score sa CS? Basta passing. Excuse me po, what is your name? Bethany, what is your expected score sa CS? 0. 50-50.
50-50. Hi sir.
What's your name?
I am Augusto.
What is your expected score? What?
Pero feel ko subong, doon mataas-taas siya.
Wow! Ito may kapiyahan ta din. Hindi ka mapangko.
Hindi ka
Sa, second row.
Sige. Diyan ko sa likod. Sige. Tiyo. Sige pangko ka to. Na!
Excuse me.
Sir. Gusto na yung drink. Ito mo ganyan na.
Ano, short time. What is your name?
I'm Ray.
According to Newton,
What is the first law of motion?
what is your expected score?
Sa,
CS.
Ang taon kita lang yung white buting-buting.
10.
10 over ano?
10 over 50 on 30.
Wow.
10 over 10. Sino pa wala? Gago aro ka tapos uyaw.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Maas na kami, sir. Gago tigil ka last time.
Excuse me, baby girl. What is your name? What is your expected score in CS?
Wait lang.
Ay, humble.
Mga mukarang linyahan, manahal ko dira.
Are you a GOST scholar? What is your name? Carmel. What is your expected score sa CS? 2. Wow.
2. Perfect na, perfect.
Hi, what is your name po? What is your expected score po? 0. Lahambol.
Mga mukarang linyahan,
Perfect na agad.
Hi!
Excuse me, what is your name po? LJ. What is your expected score po sa CS? Wala. Expected score lang.
Balik ata ko sa jello.
Excuse me po, what's your name po? Rhea. What is your expected score po sa CS? Basta pasado. Ako na yan. Basta pasado. Excuse me po.
Hep.
Hep. Ay, wala. Hep.
Race.
Okay, so, what is your name, sir? Ma'am? Joshua. Sir, what is your name again?
Hep.
Race. Alright. Okay, so what is your expected score sa CS?
4 divided by 2.
Grabe. Nasakit sa ulo. Excuse me, sir.
Paldo.
Paldo. Okay. So,
Sige, go.
sir, what's your name?
Renz.
Renz? What is your expected score?
Derivative of 23.
Putang ina. Pero ito may tip.
Miss ma'am. What are you? What is your name?
Karoon lang. Nandiyan ka lang. I'm Abby's Talents. Ano? Abby's Talents Program, College. Ano na yan? Dreams. Ano ni Blind Date? Inspiration.
Yes.
Liligo ka, wala? Wala! Ay.
Kung sino lang taga gusto, ay lang ko kung gusto niyo
Wow.
Ano ba? What's your name?
I'm Angel Marinella sa Persuela. I'm also known as Angel Mary 2.0 and Angel Mary Nis. So, ang unexpected score, ang expected score ko,
Perfect.
The confidence and the humbleness.
Siyempre, 2 ang question, so 2.
So, excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Pass.
Hindi mo kami malas sa mo ko rin.
So, what's your name po? Paspo. Okay, Miss Paspo, what is your expected score? 3.
Ambol, I love you,
I love you.
Buga! Hi, my friends!
Zeke, what is your expected score sa CS?
Self-introduction na na sinamiga mo, di kalen, taga-DM ka, full name mo.
Dogi ka, ni mamiga.
Thank you!
What's your name, sir? Sino? Aton Crush? Ay, Tyler. What's your name? Tyler. Okay. So, what's your expected score?
Ang totoo, kita lang totoo.
Okay. Pasig. Nakita ko ni notes yan.
Hindi, ano na yung general information.
General
Name, edad, may club life, email address. Ay, hindi na kayo.
Thank you.
Sino pa? Hello!
Hello. Excuse me. Lola, wala na. What's your name pa? Ay, wala. Ito ba ang ako? What's your name po?
Edad, taga din ka. Amiga? Wala. So, shy type ko na siya, shy type. Kaya tagya kitang ma-interview. Hello!
Hello po.
May interview kami dyan.
What's your name po?
JL.
JL, what's your expected score po sa CS?
0.
Ambol.
Humble.
Mga mukarang ninyan. Ano yan? Excuse me!
Excuse me, what's your name po? Earl?
Earl.
Joseph Gomez.
Sige, bas ka na. Ganun sila.
Let's get on. Sige. What's your expected score, Earl?
1.1.
Pep!
Pep?
Pray.
Yeah!
Excuse me po, what's your name po? Wow, okay. Pa, what's your expected score po sa CS?
Ambol. Pep!
Pep?
Wow! Ang cute! Hooray!
Nagalagas mo ito. Excuse me, what's your name po? Angelo, what's your expected score po?
Perfect.
0.1.
General information. Edad,
May crush?
may miga, may email address.
Taken.
Oh.
Grabe.
Sige, thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you, Ship.
Agad yung baby lang.
Dali din nak. Duha ka mo. Expected score.
Alam mga shy types, so we have here shy
Ano ka
types.
mo mga NPA?
Uy, hindi to siya hanggang na yung nag-drugs. Hindi to siya hanggang drugs niya.
What's your name?
NPA.
No criminal. Okay, sir. What's your expected score?
Perfect.
0 daw. Grabe.
Sige, general information.
Ayaw na.
Last but not the least.
Hello po.
Ay, sorry.
Hi, sir.
Tapos na kami yan.
Sir, nahihilo na ako sa kina.
Pep!
Hooray! What's your name, sir?
General information, edad, ngalan, taga DN, may miga, motivation, lagid. Puta doon na. Ikaw yung mga ang bagay dyan, no? Compare expected score.
Ay.
Ikaw masab
Wait lang, sa'yo. Wala na. Wait lang. Ay, may dyan.
Ay, siya.
Nice.
Abang na natin.
Hindi kita lang.
Hirap talaga, no? Ay, nagkabang
Sir. Ay, ito galing.